Hey friends, let's do Shimmer Guitar Lesson by Fuel. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easier to follow along. So let's make a start. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on this C chord, 3rd fret on the A string, 5 on the D, open G, 5 on the B, open E. And the strumming pattern we're going to use is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So now just move up 2 frets, so we're on 5, 7, open, 7 and open. And this time we're going to do a down, 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 up, down, up, down. Then we're going to this E minor chord, but we're going to have 7, 9, open G, 8 on the B this time, open E, and just an upstroke. And then back to our D chord, we're going to do up, mute, up. So let's go over that slowly because that's a little bit confusing, that strumming pattern. So. One more time up to speed. And that's our verse. We do that 4 times and we have our pre-chorus. Let me play that for you. So again, same chords, the C, except the first time through we're going to do a down, down, mute, come up to the D once, down, up to our E minor, we're going to do down, 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 up, down, back to our D chord, down, 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 up, and we do that 2 times for the pre-chorus. The second time through on the C, we do a down, 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 up, down, so slowly. And that's our pre-chorus there. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page and this really helps the channel out. So let's get back into it. Then we have the next parts. Let me play that for you. So we're just going back to our verse again and we do that exactly the same, but we just play it through 1 time. Now this time here we go back to the C, same strumming pattern, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then go up to the D and do the same strumming pattern, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, and then finish with a down there. And that's the end of our verse there. Then we have our chorus. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting with the open E string and then we're doing this E minor 9. So it's exactly the same as E minor, just going to the 2nd fret on the bottom E string, so mute, and then go to E minor over G, so E minor chord exactly the same, 3rd fret on the E string down there, and then to an A minor chord, down, 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 up, down, to a C over B, 1 strum there, down, to a C add 9, and we're going to do a down, 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 up, mute, to a D sus4, down, up, mute, to D, down, down, and then just play the opens on D, G, B, and E as an up there. So we do that first part slowly. Then we just go back to the A minor, 2 downs, our C over B for down, and then to our C add 9, same strumming pattern before, and add the down strumming. So that's our chorus there. Then we go back to the verse and we play it through 2 times, and then the clean guitar plays the verse again another 4 times, and we have the heavy guitar playing with that. So we play that for you. So the heavy guitar is doing exactly the same chords with the same strumming pattern, but we're only really hitting from the D string down. Leave out that A string because we want those higher notes a little bit more there, and we just do that 4 times for the verse there. And that's our heavy guitar. Then we go to our pre-chorus, and that's exactly the same with our clean guitar, and we have a heavy guitar over that as well, so we play that for you. So again, exactly the same chords as our pre-chorus, but we're playing the C 2 times, once on the D, and up to the E minor 3 times, back to the D 2 times, and do that with the clean guitar there. And from there we're just doing the verse end with the clean guitar and the heavy guitar, playing the same chords. Then we have the chorus, just doing the clean guitar part and the second guitar. Let me play that for you. So we're just playing the open E, 3rd fret on the E, open A, 2nd fret on the A, 3rd fret on the A, then go to the D, 5, 4, open, then back to the open A, 2nd fret A, 3rd fret A, and that's guitar 2 there with the chorus. Then we go back to the verse chord progression. We just play it through 2 times, that's just with the clean guitar. Then we have the pre-chorus again, and that's with guitar 1 and 2, and then we have this little bridge, so let me play that for you. So one guitar is just playing the D chord at the start of each bar. The second guitar is going to play the D, and then we play the E string, 5, 4, B3, G2, back to 4 on the E, 2 on the G, and open B, 1st fret B, 2nd fret B. So let's run over that bit slowly, and it does that from the 5, 4, 3 times. We just play the D once at the start. So we do that 3 times. In the last one we just play 5, 4, 3 on the B, 2 on the G, and 4 on the E. So we're just leaving out the 2, 0, 1, 2. So. And that's our bridge there. From there we go back to the pre-chorus. We play guitar 1 and guitar 2 8 times. The last one on the E minor we're playing there, we're going to hold for another half bar, and then we just finish on the D and the C there. And we also have a 3rd guitar kicking in, and this plays the 5th time, and it's just playing the 5 on the B, the open E, and we're just doing tremolo picking there. And it just plays right through for those last 4 bars there, and then you can end there as well. And there are all the guitar parts there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed Shimmer Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.